Hello, this is Ruben and this is Ship Stories part 11. Thanks for being back, and today I'm going to talk about health and safety. Looks funny, but it isn't. Health and safety and cabin production. And why this topic? Because health and safety is the topic of 2020. I'm not going to talk about the pandemic. I'm going to talk about your health and safety during installation. In this case, fire protection and installation of cable and pipe transits. Now, I've seen with customers that they build, for example, ship cabins prefabricated in a factory. Not on the ship, not on the yard, in a factory. And actually some of them have a moving floor. And these cabins are built in a matter of hours. It's an amazing job. It's spectacular to see. But what happens there, if you're working fast and you need to weld or you need to take a lot of precautions because you're welding, then it's an issue. So they look for solutions that can be installed without welding, without having a fire brigade or a fire marshal protecting you, inspecting your area. So we have other solutions. We have, for example, for one cable, and now I need my glasses. For one cable, or two or three, there is the snap seal cable plug. You can drill a hole in your panel, in your bulkhead, in your deck, run the cable, you click these two halves around the cable or cables, or even a pipe, small pipe, and you insert it in the opening. And you're done. You have an A60 solution. Another thing is use of silicones. Back to the cabin production, we also see that silicones in an environment where there is either restricted space, so not enough ventilation, and ventilation is a big deal these days, or a lot of people, you want to lower the compounds that are emitted of products in the air so that people either don't have to use protection masks, which I wasn't wearing, or you don't have to take any special measures for ventilation. Now, we have a solution there, which is a sealant, and it's not a silicone-based sealant. This has a very low VOC content, which is a volatile organic compounds. It's when it's starting to react, it will release these compounds. The same with silicone or with other sealants. Depending on the quality, this can be higher or lower. And this one has 11 grams per liter. Silicone has 3 times more. And that's very strong silicone smell that you find when you're using those sealants. Yacht builders do not want silicones because they have negative effects on their very exclusive paintwork on board. So, this was not a short one this time. Thanks for joining me and see you next week. Bye bye.